guide you through removing a card from Apple Pay across your iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac, purging cards remotely if a device is lost, and resolving subscription conflicts when deleting payment methods from your Apple account. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Deleting a credit or debit card from Apple Pay on your phone doesn't automatically wipe it from your other devices. Apple Pay generates unique security tokens for each device, meaning a card saved on your iPhone operates separately from the same card on your Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. To remove your payment card completely, you need to manage it across your devices or handle it remotely. To delete a card directly from your primary handheld device, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the credit or debit card you wish to remove. Tap the three-dot More button in the top right corner. Select Card Details. Scroll to the very bottom, tap Remove Card, and confirm your choice. You can also go to System Settings, scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay, select your card, and tap Remove Card. Here's how to clear cards from your companion devices like Apple Watch, iPad, and Mac. For Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your paired iPhone and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap the card listed under Cards on your watch and tap Remove Card. For iPad, go to Settings and tap the Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the card and tap Remove Card. For Mac with Touch ID, open System Settings and select a Wallet and Apple Pay. Click the card you want to delete and click the Remove button. Apple Wallet handles contactless tap-to-pay and web checkout, while Apple Account payment methods fund App Store purchases, iCloud Plus storage, and active subscriptions like Apple Music. If Apple blocks you from removing a card under Settings, Apple Account, Payment and Shipping, it means you have an active subscription or a pending balance tied to that card. To fix this, either cancel your active subscriptions first or add a new default payment method before deleting the old card. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.